It feels like every YouTube video you watch now has an advert at the start of it. This is for good reason. Firstly, with billions of users and hundreds of videos being uploaded per minute, someone's got to pay for it. And secondly, YouTube pays creators to produce videos for them so that people keep coming back to watch their ads and grow the business. So when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year, you are given the privilege of being able to put adverts on your videos and you get a small cut from the revenue that YouTube makes. We'll go into more detail about this further down the line, so make sure you subscribe. To get an advert at the start of someone else's video, you need to sign up to the Google AdWords platform. Good news is it's free to join. This then gives you lots of options. You can advertise on Google's search engine with banner ads that follow people around all over the internet, and of course on YouTube. To get an advert at the start of someone else's video, you firstly need to upload your video advert to your YouTube channel. Now, if you don't want the world and your subscribers to see your new video advert pop up, then make sure you upload on the setting unlisted. You then create your advert, add the link of your video to it, pick who you want to show it to, which can be as detailed as men aged 30+ in London, or you can pick to show your video to people who have watched one of your other YouTube videos or are watching someone else's channel, or even put your advert on a specific video. Imagine that. If your video is about recruitment, you can put them on the start of the most watched recruitment videos online. Super relevant content. Is why you'll find adverts popping up all the time around topics that you're interested in that seem relevant. Now, we could go deeper, and really this is just a video as an introduction to show you how it's done. If you want to learn more about YouTube ads, then subscribe to catch out the next video on this in the series, or watch this playlist here. We'll be showing you different ways of using adverts on YouTube to market and grow your channel.